In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to begin by opening Clock app. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom and set up an hour at the top. Then click on Repeat and select the best option for you. Only ring once every day, 2 days weekend, single day weekend, or customized. I will go with customized, so now I can pick days of the week manually, like Mondays and Fridays. To save your changes, click on Done at the top right corner. Then click on Snooze duration and select how many minutes your snooze will take. Then tap on ring duration and pick how many minutes your alarm will ring. Then you need to choose the volume button and tap on one of those options to set up the best function for it. I will go with snooze. Finally, you can tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and save your label by choosing OK. Now click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. When you're done with all of that, click on Alarm Ringtone and choose Not Add New at the top to pick music from your smartphone, or select one of those melodies by clicking on the best one, like Sound of the Sea. To save your alarm, click on Done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to get rid of it though, just hold it and tap on Yes in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!